Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming by. I love you. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I spent my day, so stay tuned. Mwah. So loves, you can start your day without praying, so let's do a little prayer before we go to our day's work.
Anytime I call, you answer.
A few moments later.
Guys, let's work out. Okay guys, we can do this. So guys, for the workouts that I'm doing, mainly for my stomach and for my ass, the first exercise I'm going to be doing is plank, and I'll be doing that for 2 minutes. I'll go first for 1 minute, then I'll rest a little bit, then I'll do another one. Then once I'm done with that, I'll do my side plank, and I'll be doing 30 sets of that too for my stomach. Then I'll do my bicycle crunch, and I'll also be doing 30 sets of that. Like, this is really serious. So for my ass, the first exercise I'll be doing is the donkey kicks. I'm not really sure that's the name, but it's something like that. I call it donkey kicks. I'll also be doing 30 sets for one leg and another 30 sets for the other legs. Then the next exercise I'll be going with is the side kicks. It's the same thing. I'll be doing 30 sets for one leg, and I'll be doing 30 sets for the other legs. Then after that, I'll be doing my glute bridge. It's also for the ass, and this is also 30 sets. So guys, I am done with the workouts for today, and it was fun. Honestly, it was not easy because it's not been long I started this, but I'm seeing changes, to be honest. I'm excited to use my body. I'm just doing it for my stomach and also for my ass. So quarantine and all the eating, all the staying in one place and everything, not going out, you just make you accumulate all the fat and everything. So please guys, if you know you have not started your workout yet, please start working out. Guys, let's work out. So please just start doing something, nothing much. I don't think what I did here took more than 30 minutes. So just start doing something, understand, to burn out the fats. We can do this, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna have my bath and I'll be back. So I'm not the only one doing this exercise thing. No, boys are not smiling. Nobody wants to get fights. The boys are looking for the parks. So these are my brothers. So it's time for breakfast, and today we'll be having toast bread and tea. How I do my toast bread is I use a title. I just mash it in a plate. I add onions and I add pepper, mix everything together, put it in the bread, and I put it in the toaster. That's it. Hey guys, so here's the funny fact. Our toaster does not close very well, so use a mortar to hold it down so the bread is going to toast well. So I'm giving you this tip. In case your toaster at home does not close well, you can use a mortar on top of it or anything heavy just to give you weight. And it's time for me to eat, guys. Please come and join me. So guys, how are we doing? So I'll be going to the hospital. My mom, she's laughing at me. I'll be going to the hospital this morning because of my eyes. I've been having these issues with my eyes, but I'm going to the hospital to sort everything out. And I'm going with my mom, and I'm very sure you can hear the Igbo song. In this car, we cannot get accidents. Okay guys, bye. So now, then I forward.
Now that is your mama bomb. In Abuja is wasting of time.
So we just got to the hospital, and Mom has been complaining that the hospital is too big. She's tired of working. So I'll just go inside to see a nurse and then do what I'm supposed to do and leave. So after the hospital, Mom said she wanted to go to the market. She actually sells stuff in the market. She said she wanted to go and check if people are opening their shop. Like, how can she just stay at home without opening her shop? So we had to go to the market, and the go-slow on the road was mad. Like, police was everywhere and asking where you are going to, and so on and so forth. So we came to the market now, and even the market had hold up. So keep watching, guys. So guys, I came back home to see my brother in my room making Snapchat videos, and I just had to make a video of him. And you can see the way they disturb me. David also came to my room to disturb me. And guess what, guys? The both of them are twin. These are my twin brother. I know they're not identical, right? So these are my elder brothers, David and Daniel. And this is Michael. He did not miss it. He also came to disturb me, making his own video. After that, I went on to play Mortal Kombat on TV because I was bored and I had nothing to do. Then I did not just want my day to go like that. I went out and I took pictures. And guys, I changed my clothes for these pictures. I was ready.
Okay, let's go.
2 hours later.
Guys, I am done with dinner. I just finished cooking rice and stew. I'm just going to go and have my bath and sleep because I'm tired.
Few moments later.
So I went on to say my night prayers and I was ready to go to bed. So guys, this is the end of our vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and actually this is not like a total quarantine vlog because I actually went out. I went to the market, I went to the hospital and everything. So how is yours going? You can leave that in the comment section down below. I love you all so much. Thank you for supporting your girl. Thank you for subscribing, for the love you are showing, for everything. I really appreciate. Do take care of yourself and good night. And please guys, if you know you have not subscribed yet, do not forget to hit the subscription button. Please do not forget to hit the subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you. Please hit the subscription button. Have you hit the subscription button? Thank you all so much. Do have a lovely time and please stay safe. I love you. Mwah. These are my new glasses, guys. I hope you like it.